and welcome to the Learning Ladder. Today is December the 8th. I'm feeling better today. I had the worst headache known to man or beast yesterday. I don't know why it happened. We'd gone to the dentist the day before and I always get nervous about going to the dentist because I hate going and my regular dentist wasn't there and I didn't know until we got there. I walk in and it's this strange person I've never even met before, and they said, oh yeah, she's gone on maternity leave. I'm like, oh right, no, you didn't tell me, but okay, whatever. That's probably the last time I'll be there anyway. But he was fine. So my daughter's teeth were perfect, which is fantastic. That's what the dentist said. So I'm really happy about that. He said she's got one more baby tooth to lose because she's gone through a period where she's lost like tooth after tooth after tooth, baby teeth obviously. And she's only got one left and then she'll be all fully adult teeth at age 13 without having any fillings, and that's a good sign for the future apparently. I mean, I don't know how accurate that is, but I definitely know I had fillings before I was 13, so maybe it is true. I don't know, but fingers crossed she'll get to 13 without a filling. But so far so good, everything's looking great in there. She still does need braces, but we're on the waiting list. The waiting list in where we currently live is 2.5 to 3 years. So we're just obviously waiting with everyone else, and then when we move I'll have to go to our new dentist and ask them to refer her again because it'll be a different part of the country, so it won't be the same health authority, so she'll have to go back on the list and will be put on the list in our new house. So I don't know if that'll mean that it takes a little bit longer, or I don't know, it depends on what waiting lists are like in that area. I don't know because they don't advertise them. But yes, so dentist went well. I don't know if that's why I've got a headache or had a headache yesterday. I've still got it a bit lingering. I think it's more hormonal though. If you track your cycles, do you notice at certain times of the month you get more headaches? I know I do. So I've had my periods, but it's like ovulation time, so I think that's why I have my headache. I don't know, but it was horrible. So yes, I don't take anything for headaches. I just leave them be. Just my preference. I don't like taking tablets. I hate taking tablets for anything unless I absolutely have to. So I just push through, and usually if I go to bed and don't have any screen time at night, which is what I do, it's much better the next day. So I did that. It's still there, I can still feel it, but it's nowhere near as bad as it was yesterday. I can always tell when a headache's bad because if it makes me feel sick. So when it gets to the point where I feel like I'm going to throw up, that's when it's a bad headache, and that's what it was like yesterday. So yes, I feel way better than that. It's still lingering, but much better today than yesterday. So we're going to make truffles. My daughter's already made her batch. I'm going to make mine. So it's one of our favourite Christmas traditions is to make truffles. So I'll show you. They're really simple. It's cookie dough truffles. The ingredients is really simple. The method is really simple, but they are absolutely delicious, and they're great if you want to give them away, you know, to neighbours or friends or whatever. If you wrap them with a nice ribbon or something, I think it's a nice little gift. So enough wittering on. This is going to be a short video today, but headache, and I'll be filming a ton this weekend anyway for the different places we're going to, so there'll be some fun videos next week, but a short one today, and I will see you in Vlogmas Day, December the 9th. Take care, see you soon. Okay, so ingredients wise, you need butter, flour, all-purpose flour, chocolate of your choice, so you can do chips or you can do regular chocolate and then melt. That's what I tend to do. Brown sugar, light brown sugar, vanilla, and then sprinkles of your choice for the decoration, baking sheet, and some parchment paper. Okay, so in here I've got butter, the brown sugar, and vanilla. I'll leave the actual measurements in the description box below for the recipe, but I do double it. Then slowly add in the flour until it starts to look like cookie dough consistency. Okay, so now you add your chocolate chips and then you roll them into little balls, pop them on the baking sheet, and then you pop them in the freezer for about 30 minutes. Okay, so these are just going to go in the freezer. I made them quite big because I'm running really low on freezer space. Otherwise I would make them quite a bit smaller so I could fit 3 trays in, but with all the Christmas food in there, it's really tight. So yes, those in the freezer about half an hour, then ready to decorate them. Okay, so I've got my melted chocolate. I'm going to dip them in now and then sprinkle them. Our first batch. So Marks & Spencer gave me as part of the Sparks advent calendar a 20% off coupon for cookies or any kind of their packet biscuits, and a 15% off cakes. So I decided to get a pack of the chocolate chunk cookies, and then I also got a Christmas cake, and their Christmas cakes are always really nice, and I love the decoration on that one. It's really pretty. It's really pretty. I got some of these little festive cupcakes. They are so tasty. So they are chocolate and vanilla with buttercream, but they also have chocolate chips in as well. And then I'm really excited for this one. So I got their Christmas pudding, and it's wrapped in this gorgeous tea towel, which I'm excited about because it kind of matches my theme for the new kitchen and the new house. So that's a good one to have. So I'm really excited about that one. Okay, so we're back from M&S. We went to get a few bits because I had some coupons from the calendar. You remember I told you in my Christmas food video where they had where they have an advent calendar every day, and then you click on it and you get different discounts or freebies. So we've already had a Christmas cake selection pack that was free, and we also got a soap today as well, so that's good. And then I had a 15% and 20% off coupon for biscuits and cake and stuff. So I got some of those. I'll show you them in my next, I don't know if it'll be before this video or after, grocery haul, but I put them in there. But yeah, and also they had advent calendars, the Percy and the Colin for £1.50 each. I couldn't believe it. So I snagged a couple of those. I thought I'd just wrap them up and put them under the tree, because you get a giant bag of Percy pigs and a giant bag of Collins plus little chocolates, 24 chocolates, and you can't even buy a bag of Collins or Percy's for £1.50, so I thought, why not? So I snagged a couple of those. But yeah, so I hope you all had a great day, and I'll see you in our next video. Take care. Bye for now. And here are the truffles all set.